Today I'll talk about the analysis of customer database, and for this I have taken the data from Kaggle website. So the data is mall customers. So these are customers of a mall, and variables which are present in the database include customer ID, then we have age, then we have annual income of each customer, and we have spending score already in the database. And for analysis, we have created certain other fields. So let us see one by one. So for analysis of age, we have made a histogram of age, and this is the frequency distribution or histogram. And for that, we have created bins of age, and so this is the detail of bins which I have created. So field name is age bin, size of bin is 10. So it is 10 years intervals, and this is the minimum and maximum value which is already on the basis of the values in our database. So we have taken age bins in columns and the count of the customers from the variable age itself. So this is how we make a histogram. So most of the customers are in the age bracket of 20 to 30 years. Then second is gender. So this is the gender distribution. For gender distribution, I have made a pie diagram, and in pie diagram we have 82 males and 112 females. So female customers are slightly more than male customers. Then for income, we have again made a histogram for frequency distribution, and similar to age, I have taken the bins of the annual income, and this is the detail of bins which I have created. So the difference in bins is in terms of 10 units. This is minimum and maximum on the basis of values in my database. So these are the bins, and the maximum customers are in this bin of 70 or 60 to 70. So it has a one peak. Now about spending score. So this is the histogram of spending score. For that we have also created bins of spending score, and this is the detail of bin in units of 5, and so it has a 3 peak here. You can see in a frequency distribution we have 3 peak. First peak is the spending which is lower, then second peak of moderate spending, and the third peak of high spending. So there are 3 types of customers here in terms of spending. Then for cluster analysis, first we need to make a scatter plot. So I have made a scatter plot between the spending score and annual income, these two columns. And after that, I went to analytics and I just dragged this cluster from here to my scatter diagram, and the dialog box appeared. And in that dialog box, I have taken more variables. So this is my detail of cluster analysis. So I have taken 3 variables: spending score, annual income, and age. And so we have 2 clusters here, and this is the detail. So spending score of cluster 1 is lower than cluster 2, and annual income is very similar, and the age, the customers who are spending more, they are of younger age as compared to customers who are spending less. So we have these 2 clusters here. So we have these 2 clusters. So what about gender? We have not included gender in the cluster analysis. So let us analyze what is the difference in gender between our 2 clusters. So gender distribution is same between 2 clusters. So this is the basic customer analysis. Thank you very much.